Hello everyone, this is Pooja Teniwali from Rian AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here to give a review on a very famous and inspiring TED Talk that is the world needs all kinds of mind, and this famous TED Talk was presented by Temple Grandin. Temple Grandin is a professor, author, and advocate for people with autism. She is one of the most well known individuals with autism and has dedicated her life to helping others to understand how different minds think and how different minds learn. In this TED Talk, Temple Grandin shares her personal experience of growing up with autism. She explains that she thinks in picture rather than words, which allows her to see and understand things in a unique way. It means that she believes in a picture, not a word listened from others. What she see in picture, she believe that this is true. And what she listen from the others, she cannot believe it and cannot rely it. She believes that everyone have different mind, as we know that there are different types of minds and ways of thinking. Everyone has different mindset, and their thinking way is also different. Some people are visual thinkers, some are verbal thinkers, some are pattern thinkers, and so on. So each type of this thinking brings valuable skills and perspectives to society. Temple Garden also emphasized that many important inventions, many discoveries, and innovations come from people who think differently. Exactly, whenever one will think differently, he will be able to invent something, to innovate something, and to discover something. She also argues that society should appreciate and support these differences instead of trying to make everyone think the same way. This was about the thinking that everyone has a different mindset and different thoughts. The another important message in this talk is that people with autism and other differences often have special talents and abilities. With the right support, with the right people, with the right opportunities, definitely they can make significant contributions in field such as we can say science, technology, AI, energy, art, business, etc. She also encouraged parents and teachers to focus on persons' strength rather than only their challenges. By recognizing individual talents, we can help people to reach their full potential. So the key lessons from the this TED Talk are the following. The number one, people think and learn in different ways. As we know that there are different kinds of different types of minds are available in our society. Secondly, she talked about the diversity of thoughts. She said that diversity of thought lead to innovation and progress of the people. People with autism often have unique strength and talent. So we should support and encourage individual